Hey everybody, this is Brandon. I wanted to create a video to show you about our newest, coolest, awesome feature for text messaging. Hey, I don't know if your business is, your team members are texting their customers or prospective customers, but if you are, this is a great feature for you. So just like creating our social posts, you now can create ready to go text messages and share them with everyone on your team so they can one tap a button and share it with people in their personal contact list. So I'm going to select on text message, and you'll notice that the layout and the design of this page is very similar to social post creation. So we'll use the plus sign to create a new text message. All your directions are right here, but to walk you through it, you have two main sections. You have the note that you'll create to your ambassadors. So I may say, this is a good message to share with your prospects for the next, or for the remainder of the month. Okay. Then the message that they'll share, that they'll actually send to them is something like, we have reduced setup fees for all new customers between now and the end of the year. Something along those lines. Would this be of interest to you? Please let me know. Now, you have the message, it's pre-written, it's done. Obviously, you have a much bigger space if you wanted to write a longer text message. This is just for examples. The other thing I want to make sure that you're aware of is this feature is not just for text messages. We do mention in here, if you want to use this to share images with somebody for like Snapchat or other social networks that we're not integrated with, you can do that as well. And you can even just use this to share images that your team members can put on their phones. So once you have your message to share, make a decision if you want to add an image. If you have one already, you can just click upload image, pull it off your hard drive and add it. If you needed to find an image, you wanted to create one specifically, you could click on the find image feature. You can go in here and scroll. So if I wanted to find, something with a, register checkout or something along those lines, we have a network of free images that you can choose from. Once you select one that you like, if you would like to edit it, you can click on the edit screen. The image editor has a variety of tools over here. So you could do things like add text, you could choose different fonts, you can filter, you could add icons, just a wide variety of tools to help you create better social posts in order to capture more attention and to also encourage your team to share. The better the images, the more likely they will share it. So I'll click save. Now we have the image, we have the copy, and we'll schedule to send it. Just like all the other features in our platform, you can one click send it to everyone in your organization. You can choose a subgroup, or you can even just send it to individual users if you choose to do so. I'm going to send it to everybody in the organization. And then you, of course, do have the option to schedule it for a later date, or you can select send now and it'll go out immediately. So I'm going to send it now. Make sure that you're ready. You click yes, and you get the congratulations message that it's been sent. And what will happen is it'll take, just like our social post, it'll take a 2 to 3 seconds to a minute in order to send. And what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to stop sharing this screen, and I'm going to share my phone screen to show you what your users, what your team members will do in order to share it. So as my phone screen is coming to the front, there we go. You'll notice that I have the message that my text is ready for me. I tap it. It brings me into my notifications section. I'm going to choose this one here up at the top. And as it loads, you'll notice that at the very top here, it says approved text post, and there's my message. This is a great message to share with our customers for the next 2 weeks. And as you scroll down, you'll see the message to share, and the image will appear here. Give it another second or two. I'm actually, with COVID, I'm working at home and a little bit of my Wi-Fi issues, but so it loads the image as well. And then what I will do is tap on share. And when I tap share, what it's going to open up is the native feature inside their phone to allow them to text message it to anybody they would like. So let me tap on share. It pops up. You have, on my iPhone, I have the option of people that I've texted recently, or you could tap on the text message icon. You could send it to anyone you like. In this case, I'm actually just going to send it to myself. And you press send, and you had success. That text message was sent out, and it was text to the person that I wanted to, and that is all done. Now, you'll notice that the text message doesn't go away. That way, if they wanted to share it again, they could tap on share and share it with more people. If they wanted to send it out to more people at the same time, they could do that. However, it would be putting it into a large text group. So those are your options. Hey, if you have any questions, if you want to know ways that you can use this, or you have any questions, or even have recommendations on how we can make this tool better for you, we would love to hear it. Please let us know, and we hope that you have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for being a customer, and we appreciate your business.